Good morning, students. Welcome once again. Today, we are going to do a poem, and the title of the poem is The World from a Railway Carriage. Carriage is a section of a train that carry passengers. Faster than ferries, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. All the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. This poem is about the railway journey of a boy. The poet is explaining the speed of the train and the natural scenes which he looks from the railway carriage. He says that the train is moving faster than all of them. It is like a record of the poet's journey by the train. The train is moving faster than fairies and witches. Fairies are what you call as pari, and witches are the women which are thought to have some magical powers. The poet says that the train rushes like soldiers who are attacking the enemies in the battlefield. It leaves behind bridges, houses, fences. It also leaves behind all the green fields where horses and cattle are grazing. The poet says that the scenes of the hills and plains are being crossed by the train as quick as the drop of rain following the other in the storm. The train passes railway stations which looked like the painted pictures. In the next paragraph, the poet says here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who strands and grazes, and there is a green of stringing the daisies. Here is the cart away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Means the poet can see a child climbing and collecting some berries. He also sees homeless people who looks at the train. As the train moves forward, he sees some ladies in a common village making garlands with the daisy flowers. He then sees a cart moving slowly in the highway. It is full of load and the driver is sitting on the top of its load. He get the glimpse of mills and rivers by its side. Glimpse means a partial view, a very quick and partial view, jhalak dekhna. All these objects appeared and disappeared very quickly. This poem helps us to experience, to feel this poem explains us, it enables us to experience the feel, the situation, the happiness of traveling in the train. Thank you.